I started running ads recently and found a huge problem. First, I didn't know how to create good ads that get clicks, and it would take me too long to figure it all out myself. Second, it costs a lot of money to run ads, especially when you don't know what you're doing. I was looking to hire somebody to handle it for me when I came across Creatopy. This AI creates ad campaigns for you. I wasn't sure if it would work, but it's free to test out, so I thought, what is there to lose? I never expected the results that I got. I'll break them down at the end. For now, I'm going to show you step by step how I used Creatopy to make ads for the Scale Society, my growing community for YouTube creators and online entrepreneurs. Step 1. Set up your account. First, you need to set up your account and brand kit. Go to Creatopy's website and click on Start Free Trial. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard, which is laid out simply. Click on Brand Kits. Your brand kit makes sure that all your ads look consistently branded, without you having to fiddle around with choosing colors and fonts every time you make a design. Upload your logo here. Then, I added our brand colors: black, white, and blue. Make sure to use the exact same shades as in your logo to keep everything consistent. You can use a free color picker tool like this to find the exact shades by uploading your logo image. Next, pick a clean, bold font. I went for Roboto, as that matches the style I'm going for and looks good in these preview examples here on the right. That was my brand kit, all done. It took me about 5 minutes to set up, and you can use it for all your future campaigns. If you work on different projects, you can make separate kits and switch between them with one click, which keeps things neat and organized. Step 2. Create your ad design. Click on Projects, then on Create a Project. Give your project a name. Click on Create Project. You can invite members to the project if you're working with others, which is super handy to have if you need to use it. Or you can click on Skip for now. Next, click on Start a Design to create your ad from scratch. You'll be able to choose from a range of different options, including Facebook Square posts, Instagram posts, video in feed ads, and so on. I was clueless when I first started out and needed a little more guidance. So, I clicked on Creatopy Templates, which saves you a ton of time. Scroll through and look for what's relevant to you. For the Scale Society, I wanted a Facebook ad to promote our free YouTube growth webinar. In the search bar, I typed in Facebook and picked Facebook Square Post. This filtered out all of the relevant templates. I picked Business from the categories, which filtered it out some more. I picked a template with a simple setup, with space for words and an image. This one stood out to me, so I clicked it. The template was already sized for Facebook, which was great. I named my project up here. I always recommend titling everything as you go along so that you're organized. Next, I needed to change the colors. I clicked on Brand from the sidebar on the left. Then, I clicked on Colors to make sure that my black, white, and blue were there. Next, on the right, I clicked here to change the background fill from green to our brand's blue. I ticked the border option to make everything pop just a little more. You can adjust the logo size if you need to. I made this bigger. Just like that, you've customized the logo. Next, I wanted a more relevant image than this swirl. Instead of searching for photos, you can use Creatopy's AI image generator. I clicked on the swirl and deleted it. On the left, I clicked on Insert, then on AI image. In this prompt box, type in the image that you want. You can click on Enhance Prompt to add more detail if you can't think of the specifics. It saves a bunch of time. Pick a style, like realistic. Choose the aspect ratio, like portrait, and the number of variants or options you want. Then, click Generate. Click on the best option, and it will show up on the post. Drag and position it where it fits best. Step 3. Write the ad copy. Writing words that grab attention and get people to click is hard, but Creatopy's AI text generator makes it a lot easier. Click on the main text, and on the right, you should find Text with this Edit with AI button next to it. Click on that. Now, write your prompt, describing what you want the text to be about. turn off based on selected layer, unless you just want to generate copy for the part that you highlighted. Click on Generate. You can pick one of these and use it as is, or adjust it. If writing scares you, this tool gives you good options you can adjust to make your own. Make sure to change the font to what you selected in your brand kit by highlighting the text and then checking and adjusting under Style on the right. For the call to action, I clicked on the date, ticked on Click Actions on the right under Actions, and then pasted my URL link. Make any final touches, and once you're happy with your post, it's time for the next step. Step 4. Repurpose your ad. With your design and copy done, it's time to get the ad ready for other platforms. This is another area where Creatopy saves you tons of time. Instead of remaking the ad for each platform, use the Smart Resize tool by clicking on Resize up here. I searched for Instagram post and ticked this. Then, I searched for X image post and ticked this. I also searched for YouTube channel banner and ticked this. Once you've made your selections, click on Apply Changes. You'll see all the different resized versions. If you need to adjust the pictures or text manually, now's the time to do it. If you're putting ads on different platforms, this feature cuts out the boring resizing work that can take hours. It lets you focus on what your campaign is trying to do, instead of getting stuck on details. Step 5. Run your campaign. Creatopy connects to several ad networks where you can run your ad. To do this, click on Ad Serving up here and enable it. Go to Ad Networks and select your network. I went for Google Ads. Up here, paste the URL you want people to go to and adjust these settings. You can add external tracking if you want as well. You can copy the code or download this all as a CSV or XLS file, ready for you to run as an ad. Once your ad campaign is up and running, you can head back to your dashboard and click on Ad Delivery. This is where you can add and save reports. It's handy to have this data here so that the next time you create an ad, you can see what worked and what didn't work well before. Speaking of which, let's go through my results. I spent about 1 hour total setting up and designing the ads, ready to run. Before Creatopy, it took me about 2 days to get the same amount of work done, and what I created was nowhere near as good. The campaign reached 12,000 people in the first week, with a click-through rate of 2.8%. The cost per click was 15% lower than my past campaigns. The ads looked great, matched the Scale Society's branding, and really spoke to our community of YouTube creators and entrepreneurs. These results prove Creatopy isn't just fast, it makes ads that get results. Creatopy saved me hours and made my ads better, and I know it can do the same for you. Click the link in the description and use their free trial to check out everything I've shown. What will you be using Creatopy for? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.